हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। आज हम देखने वाले स्टैंडर्ड 7 इंग्लिश का 4.4 4.5 सीइंग आईज हेल्पिंग हैंड्स उसके इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप के क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर हम देखने वाले हैं। तो चलिए देखते हैं अपने चैप्टर का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चंस। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन से स्टडी द फॉलोइंग फॉर्मेट ऑफ एन इनफॉर्मल लेटर केयरफुली यूजिंग द फॉर्मेट। तो फॉर्मेट क्या है? राइट एन इनफॉर्मल लेटर टू योर फ्रेंड हु हैज गॉन टू अनदर टाउन फॉर अ मंथ। तो लेटर है 123 श्री अपार्टमेंट विजयनगर नांदेड़ पिन कोड 400406 May 15, 2020 My dear Soham, it's been only 3 days since you are born and I am already missing you. 1 month without you is going to be terribly boring. I do go out with the others to play, but it's not the same. Next day, how are you doing there? You must be enjoying yourself with all your cousins. Kolhapur is a nice place and there are many things to see there. Your aunt must be preparing the best of your dishes for you. Do write to me as soon as you get the time. I had already enjoyed reading a letter from you. Meanwhile, enjoy yourself. Your loving friend Sagar. Next day, write a personal letter to thank to an elder person. तो लेटर है साईनगर नासिक November 20, 2022. Dear Rajashree, hope you are doing well in the new place. Very happy to receive your last letter. I am assuming that you have made many friends there. Thank you so much for sharing photographs. As you have already visited the Marina Beach, I would like to you take me there once. Please take out time from your internship program and visit more places at Mumbai. Since your internship is 1 month long, I am sure you can go for more trips. There is no much happening here. I have joined French classes and met new people. I like spending time with them. We have many stories to share once you return. Please let me know the date when you are away. Also, write more letters. Hoping to see you soon again. Yours, शैलेश सुंदर। अगर आप चैनल पे नए हो, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए और वीडियो ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर कीजिए। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है फ्रॉम अ ग्रुप ऑफ 4 to 6 as group activity write a conversation in which a group of person thanks someone. Answer Yogesh. Hello Gaurav, as you can see I am fit and fine today. Next Gaurav. Yes, I am glad to see that. Harsh. If I were not for you, Gaurav, your picnic to the riverside might have ended in tragedy. Yogesh, yes, I might have died. I owe my life to you, Gaurav. Gaurav, oh, it is nothing. It's just that I can't swim well. Swati, yes, but everyone is not brave as you. If you had not dived into the water and when Yogesh was drowning the pool, him out by the hair, I don't know what would have happened. Gaurav, well, there was no else around. I had to do it. Amul, you are being very modest. All of us wish to thank you. Gaurav, you were not only a true friend but also a lifesaver. Yogesh, yes, Gaurav, I will never forget what you have done for me all the days of my life.
थँक्स फॉर वॉचिंग व्हिडिओ. इयत्ता 7वीच्या मराठी, सेमी आणि इंग्रजी या माध्यमांच्या सर्व विषयांच्या स्वाध्यायाच्या नवनवीन व्हिडिओसाठी चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब नक्की करा. लाईक करा, कमेंट करा आणि वर्गमित्रांना शेअर करा.